In this Google Sheets document, we have a sales data table with columns for order details, dates, regions, and revenue. Merging cells in Google Sheets lets you combine multiple cells into one, which is handy for creating headers or grouping related data. To start, select the range of cells you want to merge, like this block from I14 to J16. With the cells selected, open the Merge Cells dropdown in the toolbar. Choose Merge All to combine the entire selection into a single cell. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button to support more tutorials like this. Now, let's undo that merge by selecting Unmerge from the same menu. Next, try Emerge vertically to combine cells within each column, which is useful for stacking data in a single column. Again, Unmerge to return to the original layout. Finally, select Merge horizontally to merge cells across each row, ideal for creating wide headers or labels. And that covers the different merge options in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more spreadsheet tips.